Thank you. Thank you. Can you fix it so just adjust it so it goes up or turn it the other way? I do. Yeah, just hold the whole thing and we'll put it in that bag. You got it? Just hold it. Don't mess with it. I got it. Okay. Good, yeah. Okay. Thank you. I'll get that one. Oh, what's your step? Oh man, that's awesome. Thank you. I was kind of craving that. I know, that's right, yeah. That's how it always is. Are you gonna get it just a soft serve?
There's matcha vanilla or ube and kombucha. I'll just get a cold.
The swirl. Ube.
I'll just get a soft.
The swirl or just matcha?
Oh, I want a swirl.
Yeah, get the swirl. I'll get the swirl too, but with ube.
Ube and kombucha.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah,
You cannot mix.
cannot mix.
Okay.
Cost.
Then I'll just get vanilla. Yeah. Yeah, just put that. And yeah. And I know. And then me, I get that. And then you know, I'll just try it. I'll just try it. I'll try it. Oh, I got it, honey. I got it. Do me a favor. Hold this pointed outward. No, camera. Point it outward. Away from you. Even the top one.
Yeah. It's not
You're not to yeah, can you hold that? I don't know. You know, I haven't seen him around for a long time. Doesn't he work at that other location too? The restaurant one. Doesn't he have they have a restaurant one also? Not just a living. cafe real quick. I'll be right back. Just watch for it. Ooh, you got one. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Hey, look, you can sit down here. You want to sit down here? Can you do me a really big favor? Can you hold this? Got it?
This is ice cream.
Worth it, huh?
Not a drumstick.
Not a drumstick. Where's that music coming from? Hopefully this thing does not fall. Oh, try this. It's not that bad.
How do I?
Didn't mess up your taste buds. This is actually way better than I thought it was going to be.
It looks like chocolate.
That's what it tastes like. No, totally.
Maybe you made a mistake.
No, I can taste the hojicha.
It is what you tell
Yeah.
me.
But with the ube, it tastes like chocolate. Wow, this is a winner. I didn't expect that. Except for I just bit my tongue. much it costs to stage this? Yeah. Pahio Banyan, I think it's called. Yeah? No, it doesn't, but that's fine. Maybe it's not bad price. Yeah. This is our happy spot. We always come here for food. Between the taco place, Abinomi, Matcha Café Maiko, funnels, funnels. So good, so worth it.
Like on the regular usually when we start with the exception that it was she was like that's awesome. I've seen those, so I've seen more people have that many things.